bro. They're dogs! They're all fucking dogs at the end of the fucking day, bitch! They belong in the fucking dog kennel, bitch! They belong in the dog kennel!
Hey, that is enough. I don't know what the problem is right now, but this ain't gonna help. That ain't helping nothing.
And you never fought a fucking dog, bitch! Bitch, you know fucking know, bitch!
You don't know what you're doing right now.
I know I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, fuck. I know I don't!
Stop moving!
My force to contact AOP.
Stop moving!
Put your hands behind your back now!
54, hold traffic.
Never fall in love with your
Get up,
first
let's
love.
go! Get up now! Bend your knees!
Bro. You, bitch! You don't need that shit! You don't need drugs!
That's enough!
You don't need drugs! You don't need sex! You don't need shit for your fucking self, bitch!
Stand up! Are we done?
Yeah, I'm done. Bro, these handcuffs hurt like a fucking bitch.
I'm sure they do.
Get these shits off me, bitch. Oh, shit. Fucking shit. Niggas don't do shit at the end of the day but treat you fucking wrong, bitch. No God, bitch. If you never do yourself, no God. If you never know yourself, if you never loved yourself, you never loved your parents, you never loved anyone, bro. Love yourself, bro. Love yourself. These ain't gonna treat you shit.
Let's go.
Like shit. They ain't gonna treat you like shit! Like shit, bitch! You fucking thought, bitch!
You patted her down? Not yet.
No. Do you have anything on you that's gonna hurt me?
Except me, bitch. Everything's gonna be okay.
Have a seat. Hold on.
Everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be alright. Oh, what is honest. That's what all what that happens to them, bro. They end up in the seatbelt, bitch. You don't think anyone's here to protect you, bitch? These cops are, bitch.
Relax.
These fucking cops are the fucking shit, bitch. Fuck.
400.
Jay was charged with trespassing, disorderly conduct, and resisting obstructing without violence. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.